Why does your scanner show the P2407 engine code? What does it mean? P2407 is a diagnostic trouble code for EVAP leak detection, pump sense, circuit intermittent, or erratic. This engine code indicates that specifically it signifies an intermittent or erratic signal from the leak detection pump's sensor, which is part of the EVAP system. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty leak detection pump, EVAP system leaks, fuel cap issues, wiring and connector problems, charcoal canister issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Volkswagen, Volvo, and Mazda vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.